This is a butcher block top for an island in a kitchen, which I'm about to put on the shaper here and complete a cut of one corner with a 9-inch radius. And as you can see, the template here, there is a bearing on the top of the tooling, which is a 14 knife carbide that will be turning at 10,000 RPM. The profile seen here, it has already been cut on a bandsaw, and it's a rough cut. The finished cut will be through this tooling, turning at 10,000 RPM. And I have a slight ramp at the first and at the last of the cutting of this smooth cut that I'm going to attempt now.